Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this quick video I'll be showing you how to install WordPress in Cpanel. So without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, we have logged into our Cpanel, and there are some changes to the Cpanel because of the new updates. So on the left side on this menu you have something called WordPress management. So instead of going to Softaculous, you can directly go to your WordPress installation by clicking on this WordPress management. So once you click on this, it will open the WP toolkit, which is the setup page for your WordPress website, and click on install either here or on this install WordPress, and this will open a menu and you'll have to choose the installation options here. So this installation path will be my website. If you have a different directory, you can mention that if you have some other directory that you want to install, and this will give you a default website title. You can change this to your website or whatever title that you have for your site. How to Profix, just for an example. And you can also select the theme set here. I'll select WordPress Essential. I'll select none, and you can also select the version, and this is where you'll have an option to set up your WordPress administrator. So I'll set up the username as admin, and this I will try to give a strong password because this is about your website access. If you have a weak password, your website could be a victim of phishing, or at the risk of getting hacked. So, and also enter your email here, help@tipswith. Okay, I'll be changing this to howtoprofix.com, our channel email, and then just click on this database, and we'll set up the database as well. I'll give the same password just in case, and you can also change the database username and database name. So for now I'll keep this default. I've only changed the password, and then click on install, and this should start installing the WordPress website on your domain. So you can see it says downloading and unpacking. So this is going through the setup process, and you will see the stages of installation right on the left side screen on this pop-up that you're getting with the newest version of Cpanel. So before in 2024 it was not like this. Now they have upgraded. I'm sure they have upgraded for the right reasons, with some new updates and bug fix. So let's see until the settings are applied and we have a WordPress installed on this domain. I'll close this as well. This might take some time, so have some patience and wait until the installation is completed. If you interrupt, if you reload or go back, this might break your site, and you'll have to come back and remove this WordPress website and reinstall. So that again will take time, so it's always better to wait for a minute or two until the installation is completed. So let's see. I don't know why is it taking long time. I'll still try to access. You can see the WordPress is already installed. The WordPress is already installed. It is trying to set up and give us the final update. It says applying final policies. I don't know what kind of policies. Maybe the terminology has been changed here, securing your website. So this will this goes without saying that WordPress is taking more time to install, or maybe a better version of settings. That's why it's taking more time. You can also close this if you want. I don't know what this button is, I'll try to click here. This will hide the installation, and you can see the WordPress installation. You can see the progress here. Show details. Okay, so the WordPress was installed. It says completed. Let's minimize. So this is our WordPress site. We can also install the plugins, but I don't want to install the plugins now. So let's go to our website, howtoprofix.com. See, you can have a default theme or any theme of your choice right at the setup stage, which I would not recommend. And to access your admin portal, you'll go through this WP admin, and I'll change this to the username admin, and tada, we are inside the WordPress dashboard, and from here you can start installing the plugins and start creating and designing your website. But always make sure to have the best hosting. I have had bad experience using a lot of hostings, and if you want the best hosting, you can check out the hosting deal in my description. They are offering some of the best hosting plans for WordPress and WPS. So that's about this. That's about WordPress. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.